Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig install that I made. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Kinky Straights, 3 bundles and a frontal. This frontal is from Temu. Here's how it looks. The wig cap that I used was with the adjustable straps. The hairline is natural looking, y'all. I bleached the knots and I plucked it to the widow's peak. This is how the wig looks before I start working on this lace. It's giving scalp already, but I am going to take my comb and slick everything going to the back so I can start working on this lace. I'm using hair clips to push all the hair going out of the way. So when you cut your ear tabs off, you don't want to cut hair. I am going to start cutting the ear tabs now, but you do want to cut this slow, because if you cut too much, it's no going back and you will see your natural sideburns. I'm going to cut the lace in sections from eyebrow to eyebrow. That way it has 3 equal sections. So when you start laying down your lace, it should be easy. I am using the Kiss Lace Bond Spray level 9. This spray, I found it from TikTok shop, but you can find it on Amazon. I did use 3 layers and blow dry each section on hot settings so it can get tacky and lay the lace down. I'm taking my comb and pushing all the hairs back, because right now there is hair in the lace. And once I do that, I'm going to start doing the ear tabs now. Now I'm going to use the Kiss Lace Bond Spray on top of the lace in sections so that this wig can be extremely stuck on my head. Now I'm going to take my comb and press down onto my skin just to push the lace down so it can lay down and blow dry it on cold setting. Now you want this wig to be dry fully before you start cutting the lace. I keep my elastic band on for 15 to 20 minutes while I edit this video, and then I'm going to make this part straight because it's this middle part right now. And then after that, I'm going to pluck this small little piece out, very little. Don't pluck too much because you want the size to match. And then comb all the rest of the hair going back. I'm using the eyebrow razor to cut the lace off. I am cutting the sides off first on both sides, and then as far as the middle is going to be way easier. Cut straight down the middle, and then I'm going to cut sideways so that way I can get my widow's peak method. The ear tabs lifted. Usually with the Kiss Lace Bond Spray, the ear tabs don't lift, but because it's hot, the ear tabs is lifting. I did have to cut my fan on. I am going to add the Kiss Lace Bond Spray on top of the lace again because you still see the lace. Blow dry it on cold setting. As you can see, it is now melted, y'all. taking my edge brush and pushing the lace into my skin. And after that, there's a small little piece of lace I have to cut off. And I'm pushing all the hairs out of the way to give a sleek look and a clean install. I do need to put this elastic band back on. Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation level 12 and put it throughout the lace, and as you can see, it's matching my skin tone a lot more and better. Wig Dealer Melting Spray. I am going to start applying this onto the lace so it can melt way more better. And this melting spray does dry quickly, so I did have to use this because I don't want to spend all day on a wig. Take the end of my comb and blow dry everything on cold setting. Take my wax stick and start to sleek all the hair going to the back. I am taking my hot comb and sectioning out each section so this wig can be down super flat, because this wig is kinky straight, but you can do this for all of your wigs to make it extremely flat. Start to section out the front so I can start doing layers, y'all. I am going to take my scissors and drag it down so that way I can do the layers. I really don't know how to explain how to do some layers, y'all. What this layers is just to frame your face and look way more better and natural looking. Trim the end so it won't be split and actually thin. As you can see, one side is already layered, looking nice and fuller looking. I am going to take two pieces and just start to cut layers in it and push all the hair going to the back. And as you can see, it's full. Now I am going to add some curls to this hair to make it look nice. I am going to start to drag the hair and make sure you hold the ends while you keep rolling it up. And then I'm going to hold it for a few seconds and pin all the curls.
Better,